Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. News with Fatma में welcome. Friends, today I am just telling about your favorite actress and legend, Sonali Bendre. Yes, Sonali Bendre is a very beautiful, cute and legend actress of Bollywood. Sonali Bendre, a Bollywood actor, has been outspoken about her battle with cancer and how she overcame it. The actor revealed in 2018 that she had been given a metastatic cancer diagnosis and was receiving treatment at a hospital in New York. After a 5-month treatment, she left for India in December of that same year. Here is a look back at Sonali Bendre talking about her cancer battle and adjusting to life after she returned from the US. Sonali Bendre recalled the day her doctor first told her that she had cancer in her body. So when my PET position imaging tomography scan showed up, cancer had spread all over my abdomen. And the doctor in New York said that there was about a 30% chance of all going away. We were shattered. Our family never lost hope. Even though she had only 30% chance of survival, but thought of death didn't come to me. I thought this was going to be a long struggle, but I never thought I would die. Sonali Bendre further explained that the changes to her physical appearance during her battle with cancer were the worst experience of her life. She discussed the surgical procedure she had in New York, which left her with a 23 to 24 inches scar all over her body. Her doctors advised her to start walking as soon as possible because they were worried she might contract a disease that would not respond to treatment. She said, "The first thing my doctor told me is that we want you out of the hospital as quickly as possible." We are always impressed by Sonali Bendre's upbeat attitude and good spirit. She described how challenging the entire experience had been for her and her husband. Goldie and I refer to BC and AC, which stand for before and after cancer. The key is to constantly remind one another that the process and the journey are what matter, not the end result. She explained that after experiencing these times, they have learned many lessons, including the importance of reminding one another that the process is just important as the end result. In September 1998, Salman Khan, Saif Ali Khan, Tabbo, Sonali Bendre were being accused of going on a hunt for 2 black bucks in the Rajasthani village while the movie Hum Saath Saath Hain was being filmed. So friend, here we just want to discover the awards of Sonali Bendre. The first award she got, Colors Golden Petal Awards in 2011, Women Achiever Awards India in 2018, Indian Tele Awards 2012, Screen Awards in 1995 and then 2001, Zee Rishta Award in 2017. There was a lot of speculations when Raj Thackeray first began his political career. He pushed Sonali Bendre's Bollywood career and later fell in love with her. To some reports, Raj fell in love with Sonali after seeing her movies. The politician was madly in love with the actress despite the fact that there is no official confirmation of this. According to the reports, Raj Thackeray wanted to wedding with Sonali Bendre, but his uncle Bal Thackeray advised him against it because it would severely harm his career. Goldie first set eyes on Sonali in 1994 while working on the set of movie Naraz. At first sight, Sonali was a well-known actress in Bollywood and in the South due to the fact that she worked with almost all notable actors. Goldie had to win over the affections of a diva who was the object of desire for millions of them. The only shared connections that connected Goldie and Sonali was her sister. When he first met her, he thought she was very attractive, but her slow eating style appealed to him more than her appearance. Sonali played the leading lady in such commercially successful films as Dil Jale in 1996, Major Sahab in 1998, Sarfarosh in 1999 and Hum Saath Saath Hain in 1999. Sonali Bendre says in an interview, Sonali revealed that lost out on roles in the 90s because film directors were under pressure from the underworld and could not do nothing about it. The actress added that there were a lot of unregulated finance and banks will not give it to you. Sonali Bendre worked in Hindi films along with a few Telugu and Tamil films. She did modeling assignment prior to making her acting debut with Aag, which won her the Filmfare Award for New Face of the Year and Screen Award for the Best Film Debut Face of the Year and Screen Award for the Best Female. She did modeling assignment prior to making her acting debut with Aag, which won her the Filmfare Award for New Face of the Year and Screen Award for the Best Film Female Debut. Sonali Bendre was born on 1st January 1975 in Bombay. She has two sisters. Her father was a civil servant. She completed her schooling from India, Bangalore and completed her graduation from the Indian College. What's about her career? Bendre was not interested in modeling. Sonali was a model before entering the Stardust talent search. She made her film debut with Aag at the age of 19. For this, she won the Filmfare Award for Lux New Face of the Year and Screen Award. The same year, she also appeared in Naraz, for which she was awarded Filmfare Sensational Debut Award. Sonali has 3 releases in 1995. The Dawn, Gaddar, Thakar. She also appeared in the song Humma Humma in the film Bombay the same year. Has often been regarded as one of the most stylish actresses in Bollywood. In Filmfare termed her beautiful and fresher than the first rains and said even though Sonali has not appeared on the big screen for a decade now, the craze for her remains unbeaten. Bollywood's most beautiful actresses listed and noted. One of the most underrated actors, Sonali has traditional beauty. In India, the Bollywood people says the poster girl of the late 90s. She revealed her acting approach. She said, I take it as it comes. If I feel strongly about something, I voice my opinion. If the director agree, fine, or let him convince me. It comes from having a relationship with the director. You talk out the scene with your director and co-stars.